Very good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to this maths class. And last day, what all things we have discussed last day? Two things we have discussed.
Open figures and closed figures. Open figures and closed figures.
Yes.
Are
Open shapes and
closed.
open shapes and closed shapes. And for closed shapes, who can give one example? Shisa.
Square. It will end
Prayaga.
at C point.
Prayaga. Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct is good. Others, please mute your audio. Those who are answering, let them say. Others, please keep your audio muted. Good. Now, Ivan.
Ma'am, Ishan.
Ivan, can you give one example for closed?
Ma'am, I am an answer.
Yes, I will ask you. Don't worry, I'll ask you, dear.
Ma'am.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. Yes, Ivan, can you give one more example for closed shape? Any example for closed shapes? Unmute. Try to speak. Unmute.
Square.
Square. Good. Now, Shisa, give me another example. Yes.
Triangle.
Triangle. Good. So, triangle, rectangle, square. Now, Abel Anthony, can you give one more example?
Circle.
Circle. Yes, all these shapes are example. Not only this, many other shapes are there. The thing is that for a closed shape start and end at the same point. Okay. A closed shape start and end at the same point. There won't be any opening. The shapes start and end at the same point. Okay, very good. Now, Hamdan.
Can I say?
Hamdan, can you give one example for open shape?
Ishan.
Any letter is enough. English letter.
S.
S. Then, good. Now, like S, that if you draw S, there is an opening. Then, yes, Ishan, something you want to say?
I will answer.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I want to say.
Let Ishan want to say something. Let him say. Yes, Ishan? Do you want to say something?
I
Sorry?
answer.
Yes, you can tell. Yes, Ishan? You can tell the answer. Any example for open shape? Any letter is enough. That will be easy for you to say. Like? Try. Like English letter S, the shape is open. Like? Any other example?
Ma'am, I want to say.
Alna, yes. Who want to say? Alna, let Alna give. Alna, give one example.
V.
Yes, V. Then U. Yes, like U if we draw. But
Ma'am, can Prayaga say?
yes, Prayaga, if you know, you say. Yes,
C.
dear. Allah's answers are correct. Then good. Prayaga.
Thank you, ma'am. C.
C already said, I think.
A.
Like A.
V.
V. These all are open shapes. These shapes do not start and end at the same point. Okay. These open shapes, there will be an opening. They do not start and end at the same point. These two shapes, everybody clear with these concepts?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear. All understood. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am.
Okay. So, Now we are going to discuss about one-dimensional figures, two-dimensional figures, three-dimensional figures. What is this dimensional? Dimension means if for a when we draw figures, length for a figure, sometimes length will be there, breadth will be there, thickness will be there, all these things will be there. For some figures, only one dimension, length only will be there. Like that figures we can call, if only length is there for that figure, for that figures we can call one dimensional figures. In short, we will call 1D figures. Okay. For some figures, length and breadth will be there. Like that figures we can call two-dimensional figures or 2D figures. For some figures, length and breadth and thickness will be there. Like that figures we can call three-dimensional figures or 3D figures. Okay, that let it be there. So first, we have already discussed one figure with a no length, no thickness, no height, nothing. Can anybody name that?
A dot.
Yes, what we will call for dot?
A point.
Point. Very good, Priti. Yes, correct it is. Point has no dimensions. Okay, no length, no breadth, no thickness, no dimensions. Clear? Which is a figure with no dimensions? Point.
Point.
Okay, a point has no dimensions. Clear? So, Kevin, a point has dash dimensions. Kevin?
0 dimension.
No dimensions. Good. A point has no dimensions. Fardeen? Dash has no dimensions. Dash has no dimensions. Which figure?
No dimension.
Sorry? Dash has no dimensions. No need to open your book, dear. Listen. Wait. Our Devarsh will help you. Which figure has no dimensions, Devarsh?
Point.
Point has no dimensions. Fardeen, repeat. Good, Devarsh. Very good. Fardeen, repeat it. Point. Point has
Point has no
dimensions.
Dimension.
Okay. Have you got now?
Yes.
Oh. So, a point has no dimensions. Next one, we can discuss about the one-dimensional figures. That means figures with a one dimension. Few figures will be having length. That figures we can call one-dimensional figures or 1D figures. This D for dimension. Okay. Our line, all the straight lines. Okay, we have studied horizontal lines, vertical lines, slant lines. All these lines are one-dimensional figures. Clear? Lines, straight lines. Then line segment. Which are there? Line segment. Then ray. Line segment, ray. One more is there. We have studied in the last class about the lines that are not straight. Lines that are not straight, what we will call?
Curved line.
Very good, Alna. Curved line. Lines that are not straight are called curved lines. These curved lines also one-dimensional figure. Okay. These curved lines also one-dimensional figure. So there are 4 one-dimensional figure we have to study this year. We already studied about line segment, ray, and curved lines. We have already studied about all these things. Okay. So which all are the one-dimensional figure? Line.
Lion.
Ah.
Line segment.
Ah.
Line segment. Ray.
Ray.
Curved line.
Curved lines.
Curved line.
Line.
Line segment. Ray. Curved.
Curved lines. Line segment, ray, and curved lines. Okay. So first, let us write these in the note. After that, we can revise. I'll ask you again. So when you write, read and write. Okay? Mute your audio and read and write. All of you take your notebook. Take your notebook.
Ma'am.
Ah.
Notebook.
Ma.
I can't see. Ma'am, which notebook? I can't see you.
Cannot see. Video is, yes, here everything is okay. Maybe you have some network issue here. Maybe you have some network issue, that's why. Okay. Anyway, let's see, check whether you can see the screen when I am sharing. Okay, now everybody is ready? Ready with your book, notebook, maths notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have written till. Yes.
Ma'am, which notebook, ma'am?
Which notebook? Maths notebook, dear. Okay. Till closed figures we have written now in maths notebook. After that, you can continue.
Ma'am, rough book?
No, dear. Maths notebook. In the maths notebook, after closed, we have written last closed figures. After that, leave 2 lines and put today's date. And write ready? Are you all ready? Yes or no? Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put a star like this and write a poem. Wait. A poem has P-O-I-N-T. A poem has dash dimensions. Is the answer?
Few dimensions. No dimension.
Ah, yes. Very good. No dimensions. A point has no dimensions. N-O, no. A point has no dimensions. Please mute your audio.
You have to write.
Ah, yes, start writing. Start writing. A point has no dimensions. A point has no dimensions. P-O-I-N-T, point, has no dimensions.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Not write it, dear.
I wrote the date, and I should leave a gap and write a point as.
where after writing that you can leave one line. Then you can, those who have completed that, leave one line and write the heading one dimensional figure. One dimensional figures. Thank you. One dimensional figures.
Ma'am, right?
Yes, yes. dimensional.
One
Dimension.
dimension
Or
figures.
1D figures. This D for dimension. 1D figures. We can write in short as 1D figures. And which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line segment, curved line, curved line.
Line.
Line segment, ray, curved line.
Good. Line segment. Ray. Curved lines. Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Yes.
Ma'am, we should write like this. Ma'am, now finish.
Yes, Prithvi, I can see. And those who have completed the first sentence, write one-dimensional figures or 1D figures beside heading and write line segment, ray, curved lines. I hope.
Write 1D figures.
Yes, that also you have to write. That is a short form, one-dimensional short form, 1D.
You are
Ma'am, I will finish.
Okay.
or would be ED.
Ma'am, I'll finish, ma'am.
CURV
Line segment, ray,
word
curved lines.
word line LINE L
Now, I hope you all remember what is line, line segment, and ray. No need to draw, just to revise that. How will draw a line?
Ma'am, finish.
Two arrows. No need to draw now, just see. And for lines, when we draw line segment, any arrows are there? No arrows.
Arrows.
For a ray, how many arrows?
No arrow.
For a ray,
One arrow. One arrow. Point.
now
One arrow.
curved lines like this, any lines. You can say curved.
Ma'am, right?
No, this one no need to do, just to revise size. So over.
No.
Alvin, which are the one-dimensional figures?
Mommy.
Alvin, can you hear me?
Yes.
Which are the one-dimensional figures? Can you see the screen? Can you read it? Line.
Line.
Line
segment.
Curved lines. Curved lines. Line, line segment, ray, curved lines. Very good.
Finish.
Good. Wait. Ivania, please unmute. Read. Which are the one-dimensional figures?
Line segment.
Oh, two Ivanias are there here. Okay. Yes, Ivania. This Ivania Rose can read now. After that, the other Ivania. Okay. Now Ivania Rose. Read. Line.
Segment. Ray. And curved line.
Good. Now Ivania. Ivania. Yes. Ivania, can you hear me? This Ivania, please unmute. Ivania, please unmute. And Ivania, please read. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the one-dimensional figures?
Lion.
Line.
Line segment. Ray. Curved line.
Good. Now, Hiba Fatima, read. Which are the one-dimensional figures? Yes, Hiba. Line.
Segment. Ray. Curved line.
Line segment, ray, curved lines. Good. Avish, read. Which are the one-dimensional figures? Read. Line. Avish, unmute. Unmute and read. Unmute here. Avish Boban.
Line segment. Ray. Curved line.
Okay. Good. Is there anybody left to complete? Is there anybody completed? Everyone?
No, ma'am.
Who is that person?
Hamdad.
Right. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Sai. Others, please. Let Sai read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the one-dimensional figures. Sorry.
Line segment. The 1D figures can
Curved curved lines. Okay.
Ma'am,
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
should
Yes,
I
ma'am.
draw should I draw a line of
No need to draw. No need to draw.
1D?
Draw example. Right? Huh? Now,
Line.
Jeffrion, read. Read. Which are the one-dimensional figures? Line. Line segment. Ray. And after that, curved lines. Okay. Now, is there anybody left to complete? Let me ask you a question. So now, everybody listen. Okay. Now, who is there to get chance? Is there anybody to get chance? Abel and Anthony haven't got any chance. Sarah, I asked. I'm asking. Wait. I'm going to.
Ma'am, I want.
Okay. Now, Shankar, please unmute and tell me which are the one-dimensional figures. Which are the one-dimensional figures? Just now we have written 4.
Line. Line segment. Ray. Curved line.
Good. Correct. Now, next I want Kevin. Kevin, please unmute and tell me answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Line. Line segment. Ray. Curved line.
Okay, these all are one-dimensional figures. Okay. Okay, Kevin. Now, Ritik Sunil, please unmute. Ritik, please unmute. Turn on your video and unmute. Ritik Sunil is not there.
Yes.
Okay. I cannot see you, dear. Please turn on your video.
Yes.
Which are the one-dimensional figures? Have you written in the notebook? I cannot hear you. Let Naomiga say answer. Naomiga. Ritik, your voice is not clear to me. Okay. Naomiga, can you hear me, Naomiga? No. Next, who is ready to give answer? Sankal, give me answer for, which are the examples for one-dimensional figures? Yes. Now you can unmute. Unmute.
Line segment, ray, curved line.
Very good. Line.
Ma'am, I can say.
Ray and curved lines. Yes, Hamdan. Which are the one-dimensional?
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Very good.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Yes, Sarah.
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Close your book and try to say.
Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Very good. So
Ma'am,
very
can
good.
Priyaga say? Line segment, ray, curved lines.
Okay. Now, I hope you all, those who haven't got chance, I'll give you. Please wait. Okay, for the next question or next day, I'll give you chance. Okay. Now, let us discuss one more thing about two-dimensional figures. in short, we will call 2D figures, like your class 2D. Okay, D here, D for dimension. Okay, D for dimension. Now, these figures will be having length and breadth, 2 dimensions, length and breadth. For example, square, rectangle, circle, triangle. All these figures are 2-dimensional figures. Okay, so which are the 2-dimensional figures? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. You have learned all these figures last year. How many corners are there? How many sides are there? All these things you have learned last year. This year you will study how to name the corners and sides. So let us see a square. So no, all of you, please close your notebook and listen. No need to write this. Okay. So close your book. First, I am going to draw a. Let us see about square. It's not a perfect square still. And thus, how many straight lines used to draw a square? How many straight lines?
4.
4 straight lines are there.
Ma'am, and 4 corners. 4.
Okay, 4
corners.
So here,
There is breadth and
4 straight lines we have used. In that, these 2 lines are what type of straight line? We have studied horizontal, vertical, slant lines.
horizontal.
These
Horizontal.
lines are so these 2 lines are horizontal, these 2 lines are vertical lines. For a square, how many sides are there? How many sides? 4 sides are there. All these line segments are 4 sides. How many corners are there?
4.
4
corners.
Now, what about the special feature of the sides of square? You have learned. Anybody? What about the sides of a square? All sides are
Equal.
all sides are equal. All sides are equal. Now, audios. Everybody, please mute your audio. Now, I am going to name these corners. A, B, C, D. Okay. Now, if you want to name these corners, it has 4 corners. A square has 4 corners. So, if you want to name the corners, you can use these letters A, B, C, D. When you write it in a order A, B, C, D. Okay. A, B, C, and D. Okay. And if you want to name the sides, when you name line segment, you want to use 2 letters. So if you want to name this side, what will be the name? A. Good. A, B. Then next.
D, C.
Or BC?
CD.
CD. 4 sides are there, no? So one more side.
AD.
AD or DA. Both are
AB.
or D and DA. These are the sides. And we can name this square as by corners. Here 4 corners are there. Using that 4 corners, we can name the square ABCD.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, should we write?
No need to write. I will show you one more example in the next class. After that, only you want to write in the. This is the way we are naming the corners and sides of a square. I'll show you one more example. After that, you can write in the notebook. Okay. So now I am going to wind up the class. Thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.